Okay, this is blue fish. It's been marinated for about 4 hours in almond unsweetened milk, and it's got salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some sazon Goya in it. Okay, and I'm gonna make burritos, roll-up burritos, and here's the coleslaw. And the coleslaws, I added some jalapenos in the coleslaw, and pretty soon this will be done, and God, it smells good. And that's being cooked in olive oil. Hold on. Let me do something real quick. So, all right.
This is better quality than real life.
Okay, so these, the reason why I bought these is because they are only 50 calories and 4 net carbs, and they're made with extra virgin oil, olive oil. Okay, no trans fat, no sugar added, no hydrogenated oils, which is a lot better than other ones. And it's got 11 grams of fiber. So let's see, total carbohydrates is 15 grams. So the fiber, if you deduct the 11 grams of fiber, because the fiber will cancel out the carbohydrates, you only end up with 4 grams of carbs. So let's check this out. All right. So what we're going to do is ¿cuántas pongo a la misma vez? ¿Cuántas pongo a la misma vez? Una por una. Hold on, guys. He's looking at that. You can stir that.
This is better quality than real life.
Okay, so we're going to take these and put these in here. All right, we'll turn that off. Put these in here for 30 seconds. Put them up.
He's storing.
All right. Let's get this off the heat. This is well and done. Heat them up for 30 seconds. All right, let's get them out. Put them out here. Oh, they're nice and hot, see? Ooh, nice and hot. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we need 2 spoons for this. We'll lay it down. We're gonna take our coleslaw. I'm not an expert on this, so I'm just calling it as I go. But it's your fish. You know, people say, "Oh, blue fish this," but I've been eating blue fish for years. You just got to know how to make blue fish, and it'll taste great, and you get all the benefits of the vitamins and everything else that's in the blue fish. There you go. That's the one. Right there. And we're going to take this, might be a little too much.
I think it is.
And you're gonna roll it up. Might be a little too much, but this is a nice thick burrito.
Fish burrito.
Big nice fish burrito. You wanna take it? Take it out. Mmm. 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 This is the bomb. Oh yeah, recommend to everybody. Even Leo's gonna have one.
Yes, but not on camera.
Not on camera. There you go, guys. All right, Blue Fish Burrito. Enjoy.